Why does society need journalism? What role does it play in shaping our world? To answer these questions, let's delve into the realm of journalism, a profession that often goes unrecognized for its immense contributions to society. Consider the story of Bob Woodward and Carl Bernstein, two journalists from the Washington Post who unearthed the Watergate scandal in the early 70s. Their relentless pursuit of truth led to the resignation of a United States president, proving that even the highest office in the land could not escape the power of honest journalism. Or take the case of Maria Ressa, a Filipina journalist who, despite threats to her life and liberty, continues to expose corruption within her country's government. Her courage and commitment to truth have earned her the Nobel Peace Prize in 2021 and the admiration of journalists worldwide. Then there's the story of Jamal Khashoggi, a Saudi journalist who paid the ultimate price for his commitment to truth. His tragic death highlighted the dangers journalists face and sparked international conversations about the importance of press freedom. These journalists and countless others have made significant contributions to society by upholding the values of honesty, integrity, and professionalism. Their stories serve as a reminder of the power of truth and the importance of journalism in society. Journalism is more than just reporting the news. It's about holding power to account, exposing corruption, and giving voice to the voiceless. Journalists are the eyes and ears of society, constantly observing, questioning, and reporting to ensure the public stays informed. They are the watchdogs, keeping an eye on those in power and making sure they act in the best interest of the public. They are the storytellers, weaving narratives that shed light on societal issues and spark conversations. They are the truth tellers, speaking truth to power and ensuring that lies and deceit do not go unchecked. Journalism is a cornerstone of democracy, ensuring the free flow of information, fostering informed discussions, and promoting transparency and accountability. Without journalism, society would be left in the dark, susceptible to manipulation and misinformation. So today, we salute the journalists who bravely uphold the pillars of journalism. They are the oxygen of society, illuminating the path towards a brighter future. Their work is invaluable, and their contributions to society are immeasurable. To all the journalists out there, we say thank you. For today and for all the tomorrows to come, we extend our gratitude. Your work makes a difference. Your work matters.